Hey guys, so I thought I was recording, but clearly I wasn't. Silly mistake. Anyway, so I'm just going to walk you through the steps that I did. It says, what is 15% of 60? Well, first we need to change the percent to a decimal. As the previous lesson, we showed that percent is out of 100, so I have 15 over 100. When we divide it, we get 0.15. So now I'm going to take 0.15, I'm going to multiply it by the 60, which is what I did here. As you can see, I have 5 times 0, which is 0, 5 times 6, which is 30. I have my place marker for the 5, and then 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 6 is 6. I add these both up, and I get 900. So as I get 900, I put my decimal at the end. I ask myself how many numbers are after the decimal. Here's my decimal, and I have 2 numbers after the decimal, so I'm going to move my decimal to the left 2 times. So I get an answer of 9. So what we're saying is 15% of 60 is 9. If we look at number 2, it says, what is 65% of 40? Again, write the percent as a decimal. Percent is out of 100, so I have 65 over 100. Like previous lesson, when we do it, we get and 65 hundredths. So I'm going to take this, multiply it by my whole number of 40. So here's my setup. I have 5 times 0, which is 0, 5 times 4, which is 20. Then I have my place marker, and then 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 4 is 24. Add these up, I get 0 plus 0 is 0. This is 0, 2 plus 4 is 6, and then 0 plus 2 is 2. So I have 2600. Again, ask myself, how many numbers are after the decimal? I have 2. So here's my decimal, move it to the left twice, and I get my answer of 26. So 65% of 40 is 26. And here it's asking what is 75% of 4. We write the percent as a decimal. So again, it's and 75 hundredths. That's how I got it. And then we're going to multiply it by 4 over 75 hundredths. As you can see here, I went ahead and used my decimals at the bottom when I multiplied, but because my whole number is so small, I went ahead and put it on the bottom just to make life easy on myself. So I have 4 times 5, which is 20, drop the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2, which is 30. So I get a total of 300. Again, I have 2 numbers after my decimal, so I'm going to move my decimal to the left 2 times for answer of 3. So 75% of 4 is 3. That's my walkthrough. You guys are now going to work on the practice on your own, problems 1 through 12. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. So you have this one, and then you have the previous one that we had worked on, the changing the percents to a decimal and decimal to a percent. So you guys are also in charge of this worksheet as well. In the prior video, I went over this. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, as well as don't forget to work on the Khan Academy assignments that I have posted in Google Classroom. Okay, have a great day.